Hello, I'm Tom Varner and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. This week is National Pizza Week, and so I've come to one of my favorite local pizza places to celebrate. Pizza Man in Litchfield, Illinois. Now, Pizza Man is known for their thin-crust pizza. They're also known for their Subway sandwiches, sub sandwiches. In the summertime, they also have a little ice cream shop called Ice Cream Man, but it's closed right now. Actually have an app you can use if you want to order your pizzas just on your phone through the app. Personally, I don't like doing that. I prefer calling or ordering in person, but the times we are in right now, a lot of people do. My order number, bring it to the table, is number 6. Alright, this is what we've got here. We've got a small sausage and mushroom pizza and a 8-inch, which was the small version of the sub sandwich here. And it's an original sub sandwich. Now what I like about Pizza Man's pizza, besides the taste, because it's really good, they cut their pizzas in squares. Happy National Pizza Week. So good. Thin crust. And they put some sort of seasoning on the bottom of the crust that adds to the flavor. This is the original sub. It has salami, ham, tomatoes, lettuce, cheese, and onions.
Yes, out west.
So good. So good. outside of our pizzeria since it's a bright sunny. Section. Now they had to add all these curbside stations here in the front part of the parking lot when the pandemic began. There's 9 of them because living in Illinois, well, things have been closed a lot longer than in many other states. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land where we've celebrated National Pizza Week by eating at one of my favorite pizza places and having a small sample, a small taste, if you will, of Pizza Man here in Litchfield, Illinois. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, leave a comment in the comment section. Until next time, that's a wrap.